some good stuff. 10 out of 10 setup, brutal. 10 out of 10 food, like so good.
Virgin. A 24-hour kitchen, you know.
Yo! Like, I know how to cook, yeah? But I need to know how to chef it. Hey, Ringo! It's 24-hour kitchen, I'm cooking with Ringo vision. I've seen it on television, looking like he's on a mission. Got the perfect family dinner, and I only had to listen. Give me every measurement and everything that I was missing. I needed rice, I needed peas, I needed chicken. My belly started rumbling, the food was finger licking. The food was falling off the bowl, it's ready for the picking. I Ringo at the vision, with 24-hour kitchen. 24-hour kitchen. 24-hour kitchen. 24-hour kitchen.
Yes, you're right. Listen.
24-hour kitchen.
You know,
Probably India.
yo, maybe even Pakistan or something.
Oh, hey, look at that. Wow.
No, all I can say, people, is give thanks for life. Truly, this is a Irie soup. That's what I would say. Yeah, man.
People respect 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision, representing. I mean, where am I? I'm back out in the place that we love the most, people, yeah. But before we start our day, just holding a moment, grounding ourselves. A great pine tree here. I'm resting my back up against people, yeah. Good vibes. We're fully outside. We're fully active. Things are go on today. Inna the way, inna the forest.
Good thing that.
Oi, people, guess what I want? So look, we're fully outside and we're fully inside of the forest, people, yeah? Alright, I need to set up, I need to find a spot. Yes, everyone, so I have to find a location right now, as you can see around us. All forest. There's dog walkers out here as well. Good vibes.
Yeah, we're vibing. Good vibes.
Yes, people, 24-hour kitchen cooking with Ringo Vision. You know what I go on, I'm fully active. Me inside of the forest, people, yeah. We're here because life there has to live and to be what? To be free. I'm here with my brother Conscious. Yeah, man, big up yourself, Conscious. Shanty Kitchens and 24-hour kitchens is fully active inside of the what? Inside of the environment, people, yeah. Yeah, man, this is also a place called what? This is also a place called home. Yeah, man, and you must what? You must feel free.
Free up.
What? I mean, while you're out, yes, so people, because guess what it is? It's all about the love. It's all about the harmony. It's all about the peace. And guess what? If you can't find the peace inside of yourself, I don't know what go on, you go through some turmoil problem, because you must find it within inside of yourself. You must gain the love within inside of yourself. You must gain the happiness within inside of yourself, people, because guess what I want? I one life, I one art, and I one love, and I one unity, people, yeah? And that me I telling you today, yeah? We just go and uplift the what? The love, and encourage each and everybody around you to do what? To spread the love. And talk about who? Talk about the Most High Creator, because him make a wall of we there so right now. Look at his creation. This is the Most High as well. You see this fire here burning? Everlasting fire. You can activate it anytime. You can tap into it anytime. It is an entity. It is alive. Guess what I go on right now? Let me tell you a little bit about fire, people here. Let me show you a little bit about fire. Come in. Let me reason with you about fire. You see fire? Fire is a thing like this. How much heat can your body sustain? And at the same time, when fire talk to you and it's like, ouch, that is fire reasoning with you without any words, without a voice. But guess what? With his powers and his force, it tell me, say, raw, it feels hot. So guess what I go on now when I'm telling you one thing, because this is the cooking channel, 24-hour kitchen cooking with Ringo Vision. So I want to show you one thing when we're using the fire, when we're cooking. It's not you that tell you that the food cook. When fire done cook the food, if you don't take it off on fire alert, you say, and the smells them that are coming out through the fire that's burning and creating all what is creating through chemistry and a reaction. And then fire tell you, say, raw, stir up the pot. Fire tell you, say, raw, bam. Are you on fire in there cooking a reason? You might say, raw, you're doing it through you and how you do it, but at the same time, you have to remember you're using something to do what you're doing, and what is it? The fire, whether it's electric cooker, whether it's gas cooker, whether it's outside fire, whether it's coal fire, whether it's wood fire, any type of fire, it talks to you. Remember that, people.
I true it's alchemy fire.
Alchemy fire. That we are talking about. Yes, people, welcome to 24-hour kitchen again. We're out, we're in the forest. Look over there. Look, we traveled all the way in there today. Everyone, we're building the fire. We've got all the equipment, everything there. We've got the tent in there. I'm gonna set up my tent in a short while, everybody, so a good vibes. Right now, I chopped some wood for the fire, people, yeah? So our good vibes, 24-hour kitchen cooking with Ringo Vision. Thank you very much, people, yeah? You don't know what one. It's a cooking saga today. What we are do? We are travel all the way around the way, the world. And what we are do? Cook what? The best food. Right for your stomach. 3 times a day, make sure that you eat this food. And make sure anybody, anywhere you are, left this inside of the Ross Clark kitchen, yeah? It no make you go in a known pocket, no back pocket, nowhere upon you, in a no side bag, in a no nothing. My brethren and my sisters, them and my every youth, them across the world, make we love it now, man. Make we do some things that we love now. Find the peace in yourself now. Don't make nobody dry you out. Don't make nobody antagonize you, yeah? Alright, one love, people, yeah? Back to the thing again. Food me I deal with. Yes, everybody, we're just going to look for 2 pieces of big fire log. Yeah, man, good fire log we're looking for right now. Good vibe. You picking it?
Mm-hmm.
Hold on, let me see it.
They're not psilocybin mushrooms. I don't think these are poisonous. These are probably actually edible. A lot of people pick wild mushrooms foraging and fry them off.
That is it. Good vibes. This is perfect, fam. This is exactly what I was talking about, the type of wood to cook on, the type of fire, the levels of how man want it. It's exactly how man want it. Just like this.
Yeah, man. Natural things, you know? Yes, I.
Alright. Shanti. Shanti,
Well, go on.
we ready for cook now, you know?
Yeah, you ready?
Yeah, this the wood fire, yeah?
Yeah.
I cooked 2 pots of food today.
Yes, I.
Yes, I.
Yes,
Give
I.
thanks to the nature and give thanks to the creator,
Yes,
the
I.
universe.
And look how you said that the song come out.
We're there, man. Look at that. We're there, man. Good vibes. Yes, everybody, we're going. We're there once again. Guess what we're going today, people, yeah? We're in the environment. Big up yourself. Welcome back again. We're in season 7, everybody, yeah? We're going into season 8 very, very, very soon, people, yeah? And I don't want none of you guys to what? To be late. Because guess what? Never before have you seen me flang or put or cook or bring or... You understand? I got a Dr. Fish today on the program, people, yeah? So we're going to be making a fish tea. All the ingredients that I got here, I got corn, I got sweet potato, I got yellow yam, I got edo, I got carrot, I got turnip, yeah man, garlic, ginger, thyme, scallion. The whole works is here, everybody, yeah. Big up yourself. Thank you very much for coming through today, people, yeah. Stay tuned, 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision with Dea. Good vibes. All right, everyone, so what I'm doing right now, everybody, yeah, I'm going to just sit on my pot. They're good vibes. So I'm just going to fill up my pot with water. Yes, everyone, so what's happening, what I'm gonna do, squeeze some lemon over my fish, get them nice and clean, everybody. So one of them I already cut off the head and got them scored. You can see this one here, Dr. Fish. Yeah man, good vibes, everybody. So what I'm gonna be doing, nice and simple, is just be cleaning it up. And you see all the inside of the belly of the fish, we have to make sure that we get all the remaining bits. You understand, everybody? All here, we have to scrape that out. All them things there, make sure that we get all of that out, everybody. Look at that. In the belly of the fish, to get out all of these stuff here. The guts, all the remaining residue of the guts, the intestines, all them things there. Good vibes. All right, everyone. Nice rinse off. Good vibes. So what I'm gonna do,
So show the people exactly where you cut it. Let them know.
all right, so I just sliced it down the other side. So you can choose any half, the left half or the right half.
Where the bones are. innit?
Where the bones are. And then what I'm gonna do is now lock him back up.
Alright, you see there. Seasoning in, flavours in. Seasoning smelling good.
All right, everyone, so as you can see, our Dr. Fish is simple. It's been seasoned up. I bust it down the belly in 1 1/2. Got the seasoning all marinated, going through and everything, everyone. So a good vibe. So all I'm gonna do, remember say, we're cooking a fish tea today, everybody. So it's a simple process. Look at this. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna leave the fish inside of there and just let it go and boil up And after it boil up, everybody, yeah, I'm gonna be doing the deboning. So we take all the bones out later on, and then we can start to cook our soup now, because our fish would have flavored the water. And remember, the fish that we're using today to cook our soup, everybody, yeah, is a doctor fish. What I say? Is a doctor fish. So this one here is a really good one if you're really feeling low in energy and everything, you know, build up back your immune system and everything, because we're using certain ingredients, people, yeah, like the garlic, the yam, the red onion, the okra. We're going to be using some sweet potato. We got the edo. We got some next yam as well, the soft yam as well. This one here from Brazil, everybody. So our good vibes. We got a next sweet potato. One is from Jamaica. Conscious, where the next one forward from?
Colombia.
Colombia. Yeah, man. So I'm in the house with Shanty Kitchens as well, people. So big up Shanty Kitchens, car. We're in the building, people. Yeah, good vibes. I'm just rubbing up the fish in this because I'm just leaving it here, and we're not using this one here, everyone. We're not using these next fishes. That's gonna be for a separate occasion. So good vibes. So the pumpkin now, I'm just gonna be peeling some pumpkin, everybody, and put some pumpkin in the pot as well. So the first ingredients that I'm gonna prep is our pumpkin, so our good vibes. So this one here is called Edo, and in Jamaica we call it cocoa, but this one here is from Africa. So our good vibes. We've got yam from Brazil, we've got yam from Jamaica, we've got Edo from Africa.
Sweet potato, same way.
And sweet potato, said way as
That
well.
one is more expensive than the Colombian one.
From Colombia.
So the Jamaican one more expensive.
Yeah, so we've got quite a few ingredients that we're working with today, everyone, to go in our pot. So we've got the turnip as well. Look at this. The turnip. Yeah, man, a good vibes. Turnip also gives you a nice flavour. It's got a distinctive taste.
Very rooty flavour.
Very rooty flavour. And it can also, it's something that mashes out really quickly as well. So it depends.
Like a potato.
Like a potato, but even quicker than the potato.
Like a pumpkin more say.
Smell it. These, you can almost eat this raw as well.
Let me smell it.
Smell it, yeah. You on TSP's conscious? Because we can't eat them things that raw, you know, so
true, man.
We can't consume.
It's like it's almost like a root vegetable, like a radish.
Yeah.
And I shave the carrots.
Shave the carrot. Yellow yam, everyone. Good vibes.
Combine the garlic.
All right, everybody, so I've got all the ingredients them. Look, the Brazilian yam, the yellow yam and nice pumpkin. See the pumpkin and the scallion and the thyme, them thing there. Watch this. Just watch this. Just watch this, may I tell you. This may I talk about.
And remember, people, you put the fish inside the pot before you put in the veggie in there.
This is just You don't have to have no shape to cut up no scallion in no pot because I want them to get to boil out. You see the pumpkin as well? Like that. 2 big piece. Look at the fish. Yeah man, the fish almost, see that? The fish cooking, so the fish can almost get back out of the water now, everybody. You see that? I just want to show you. Yeah, because look.
See, look, it look nice
All
and
right.
white.
You see that? So I'm gonna take this out in a little while and debone it. Good vibes. Boom.
Yes, sir. Fire, fire.
Alright everyone, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove our doctor fish from the pot. Good vibes. Make sure that we ain't left anything in there. Alright, that's it. And so what's gonna happen now, we're gonna left this, the pumpkin, and make that go and boil up. The doctor fish. See it there? Alright, good vibes. So what I'm gonna start to do now, everyone, yeah, is start to add in the garlic, the carrot, drop the scotch bonnet, a bit of the red onion in the pot. So see it now, we start the process to cooking. Drop the scotch bonnet in there, so some garlic. Some carrot, just chop them in.
6 o'clock around,
Yeah, that's calm.
bell ring. Where we are.
You see the yam? Yellow yam is a funny one, you know. It will change colour on you. It will change colour on you quick and fast. So we just
Yeah, true when the air get to it, innit?
yeah, yellow yam is funny. So we just fix it back up. Yeah, man. Turnip. All right, everyone. So adding in the last garlic. See it there? And then the turnip. So chop up the turnip. Normally we can chop things at a particular size and shape, but you see this pot of soup here? No particular size, no particular shape, cause this is a doctor fish I'm using to cook this soup, so you know it says it's a proper. If you're feeling underneath the weather, everybody, yeah, you see this pot of soup, it's got all the ingredients, yeah, to enrich your body back and revitalize your body back, yeah, especially if you're under the flu, if you need iron, if you need substance in your body, everyone, yeah, you're feeling run down, proper run down, and you need to build your body back up, and you find it hard to eat food, well, all the ingredients that's gonna boil out into the pot, including the doctor fish, you know, remember the name of the fish? It's called a doctor fish, everybody. Look at this. Yeah, man, it's called a doctor fish, everybody. A good vibes. As I said, this is a doctor fish, everybody, so look at this. So I just debone it just like this, because when you're having a fish tea, you have to make sure, especially if kids are eating this, drinking this soup here, look how fleshy this fish is, everybody. Wow, yeah man, a good vibes, you know. Look at that. You can even get into it. Some people that like, what do you call it, sushi and all them kind of thing there, this is ready.
Japanese things.
Japanese thing.
Them love fish, true.
So we say give this one back to nature. We're going to roast this one up on the fire and give thanks, yeah? Yes, I. So the aroma of the roastness go up said way, everybody, yeah? Yeah, man. And even that, you can consume that later after it roasts off said way. But you see what I go on right now? Some of the all-purpose seasoning mix. I just put it into the fish. Yeah, man. That's it, a little sprinkle. good vibes. Alright, so we got the next piece of yam. This one's a soft yam, so this one I can boil out in the pot, but we're not watching on face because it will give like a texture. This is the Edo. In Jamaica we call this cocoa. Yeah man, but the Edo this. Or you can call it also cocoa yam as well. Yeah man, look, the pot has got all the amount of water. Nothing else can go into this pot. When we say nothing else can go into this pot because it's full up right now. See it there? Yeah man, a good vibe that. Alright, so look, the planting. Look how I'm dealing with the planting. So we leave it in the skin because the skin is the iron, everybody. And we also got some thyme that we're going to put some more thyme in the pot, everybody, yeah? So a good vibe, look at that. Yeah, man. So East Indian mango, everybody. Yeah, man.
Where it from originally, you know?
Probably India.
Yo, maybe even Pakistan or something.
Can I call East Indian, brother?
Yeah, true though. Pakistan used to be India though, innit? Mango time, yeah?
Young man. Mango time.
What mango that?
East Indian mango.
Yeah, that people look juicy. Come like them pickle Mexican mango. Life. You there?
Conscious of the vibes out here though, like.
Chorus of Mexico. Same one,
Oi, yeah man, a good vibes everybody. So yeah, what's happening right now? We're just waiting for the fish tea with the ingredients them to boil up, because what I've got now, I've got all of the rest of the fish that I took out and some of the fish water. Yeah man, so a good vibe. So what I'm gonna be doing, I'm just gonna add that in about 5 minutes. As you can see, look at this. Oi. Alright, so what I'm doing right now, take out the pumpkin. Look at that. So I take out the pumpkin, everybody, yeah, and do this.
Mash it up.
Look at this, put in back the pumpkin. Look at the colour transformation instantly. Good vibes. At the same time, I'm going to put the fish back in. I'm going to cut up some okra, drop in some okra, said way.
This is how we clean another forest, innit? Or the pot of bubble up.
Yes, everybody, just adding a little bit of the all-purpose seasoning mix, and I hit that. We're just gonna let the pot close up and make it go and bubble up now, everybody. Because look, we've got so much ingredients on the table. Look, we even have corn, we have sweet potato, but the pot is not a big pot, everybody. So you know, say we can't fill up the pot with bare things in there, but we got a nice pot of food right now, everybody. Organic pot as well. This is an organic pot. Everything that is in here is freshly produced. Yeah man, coming fresh from out of the ground, and nothing in there is tampered with, people, yeah? Are good vibes. Yeah, man. Yes, everyone, wagwan. So wagwan right now. I'm just adding a last little bit of ingredients into the pot. So a little bit of garlic, yeah, man. Just putting a little bit of garlic into the pot. Here, what I'm gonna do as well, everyone. Gonna add one more scotch bonnet pepper to the pot as well, people. Good vibes. Yeah, man, I just make that go and bubble up nice and slowly. So I don't need to add nothing else to the pot. The pot smells nice. Just a little piece of coconut oil I'm gonna add to the pot, everybody. Yeah, man. Good vibes, that. Wow, look at that, everyone. Wow.
Colours.
Alright, everybody, so a piece of coconut cream, you know. Full coconut cream, that. And that's the last ingredients there to complete the pot today, people, yeah? So what I'm gonna do with the knife, look at this, I'm just gonna dab the scotch bonnet pepper to just bring out the aroma. Yeah, man, good vibes. Look at that. Let the coconut cream go on, do its thing. And then we're gonna make this cook out for about 15 minutes, everybody, yeah? Because the coconut needs to actually cook out, or else it'll upset your stomach. Because coconut is a thing, when you're using it in a pot to cook with it, make sure that you cook it out real good, because the coconut can run your stomach as well. So you have to know what you're doing when you're using coconut as well, people, yeah? And balance out the thing. Are good vibes. Yes, everybody, so we're almost at a completion. Thank you very much. I hope you guys enjoyed this one here. As you can see, look and see where I go on. I also put a corn. Yeah, man, I go on roast a corn as well. Look at that. Wow, look at that. Yeah, man, a good vibes. Fish tea, you know, with a Dr. Fish. Everybody, you've never seen Dr. Fish on the program before, everybody, yeah? So all I want you to do, everybody, have a look at this. Have a look at this, everyone. Look. Wow, look at all the ingredients. Okra, scotch bonnet pepper, thyme, scallion. Yeah, man, the whole works. Yellow yam. Yes, everybody, thank you very much for staying tuned. This is a very healthy one, everybody. If you're feeling under the weather, this one will bring you back up, everybody, yeah? Big up yourself. So I've got the pot lid in my hand, so you know what that signifies, everybody, yeah? Everything's at a what? Completion. Wait there, I'm not gonna take no check. So let me get this dishcloth quickly, everybody, yeah? Because the handle might be piping hot. Whoa! Let's go, let's go, let's go. First of all, I wanna just thank everybody that stayed tuned with this episode. I wanna thank the Most High. I wanna thank the Creator. I wanna thank the universe. I wanna thank nature. I wanna thank life. And guess what I wanna big up? I wanna big up life. Thank you to life. Thank you to everything, everybody, yeah? Because life is the greatest gift on earth. Yeah, man. We give thanks to the Most High, everybody, and we give thanks to everybody. Yeah, man, a fish tea completed. Thank you very much, everybody, for staying tuned with this episode. 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision. Who am I here with? Shanty Kitchen. Yeah, man, big up my brother Conscious, yeah? Because we've been here. It's been a vibes. It's been a good vibes. What am I going to do right now? I'm just going to dish up everybody, yeah? And go and feed up. Thank you very much, everybody, yeah? A good vibes.
Yes, I.
Yes, I.
See it there? A good vibes, for true.
Rest it right there, sir. Alright, so yeah, man, we just the corn been steaming, so the corn cooking now because we had it in the skin. Yeah, so all we're gonna do is just gonna get some colour to it, and yeah, man, we're gonna feed up on a piece of corn as well, everybody. A good vibes. Yeah, man, we'll just put a little bit of everything inside of our bowl, everybody. So good vibes. Some carrot.
Yeah, man. A bush style. Yeah. And look at the colours, people. It's a real fire cooking. You can see it. Fiery.
Yes, people, give thanks, car. And me and the brother there, so right now, deal with the thing, so. Whoa, look at that. Wow.
No, all I can say, people, is give thanks for life. Truly, this is a Irie soup, that's what I would say. Yeah, man. Look over there.
Oi. Respect everybody.
That's an unbelievable, incredible taste, man. The real true flavours of fire cooking. Yeah, man. Irie, give thanks, Virgin. A 24-hour kitchen, you know. Private catering, we're there, sir. Brother's first time eating yam. How is the experience,
Some
my brother?
good stuff, man. This is some good stuff.
Wicked. So look, we're out in the forest and we've got this gentleman here. He was on his daily evening walk, stopped by, and yeah, the setup intrigued him. And now we're all eating together.
10 out of 10 setup, brutal. 10 out of 10 food, like so good.
Respect.
So good.
The brother's eating our food, you know, and he just passed.